Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how to use Cash App for Twitch donations. So first thing you're going to want to do is go into Twitch TV, really nice and simple, then click on your profile icon and select channel. Once in this area, if you select the About button, and then we're just going to let that load and then scroll down where we've got edit panels. That toggle will most likely be off, so if you just select that as on, it will then display all of your panels. What we're then looking for, if we just scroll down a bit, you're going to have a plus icon that's kind of grey, so it's all greyed out, but you can actually select it. And then now we're going to actually add a new panel. So select that. And then the next thing you're going to want to do is actually select the button, add a text or image panel. So we'll select that. Okay, so the first thing we'll need to do is actually add an image. So I'm just going to select that button a minute. And then here I've actually just made a quick Cash App replica icon, if you like, just to make it easy for when we're actually viewing the panel on Twitch. So we're just going to select it, crop it, and then just click done, so then you can fully see it. So there we go. Now you can see it now on the panel. So the next thing you need to do is link it to your Cash App cash tag. So the simple way of doing that is just by typing cash.app/ and then your cash tag. So if we select that on Chrome, it will actually bring up this page as a QR code for people to pay you. So we just need to highlight that URL, copy that, and put that into the Twitch TV image links to that hyperlink. Once you've done that, you can add a description if you like to make it more easier for people when they're selecting or what they're selecting. And then once you're done, you just click submit. Okay, and then we'll just go back out into the main page of the panels. Okay, so then we're just going to refresh this page, and then as we come back into it, you'll be able to see the Cash App icon that we created as a panel. Then when people select it, it will take them directly to our donation page on our Cash App, so then you can receive money. And that's it. That's pretty much how you use Cash App for Twitch donations.